Yeah, so very first thing, first of all, tell me about yourself and then we shall begin the session.
Absolutely, ma'am. So this is Shahid, ma'am, and I'm from Jharkhand, and I belong to Jamshedpur city, and I like to play cricket, and I like these days I have been learning English language, and I have a small YouTube channel. Yeah, ma'am. It is all about me, yeah, ma'am.
All right, that's absolutely perfect. So why do you want to learn English particularly? Are you like into the language or what is the reason behind the same?
Because of ma'am, because of my childhood, since my childhood I wanted to speak English language, because due to some reason, so that's why I was not able to speak that time. I don't I was not able to learn in that time, because of the in that time there was no involvement actually. So yeah, because these days it is a digital involvement, so that's why I'm able to learn English language. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so you want to go in pace with the society and the environment. That's why you want to learn the language, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's absolutely good. Okay, so just tell me one thing. Would you like to give me the feedback at the end of the session?
Yeah, please, ma'am, you can give me feedback, no problem.
All right, let's just go ahead. Okay, the another thing I would like to ask you is, I suppose you must have received an email from English Talkies, so you want to talk on that particular topic and those vocabulary words, or let's just talk about anything else, like in general topic. We can talk about anything, whatever you prefer.
No, we can talk about that topic also, but because that topic about also interesting about celebrity, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, it is
So
about
we
celebrities.
so we
Yeah.
can
So
talk
okay, you
about
tell me which celebrity is your favorite celebrity?
my favorite celebrity. I think two celebrity I like. One is Salman Khan, and second is a female actor. Her name is Deepika Padukone.
Okay, okay, okay. That's nice. You have got a good taste, that mean. All right. So just tell me, what much do you know about both of them? Like, what is the particular thing which you like about them?
I think in Salman Khan, if you talk about, so Salman Khan, his personality is very awesome, and he uh, always he maintain his personality. So that's why, because his health is very looking good. Yes, always, and he his age is more than 50, but still he was looking young. Yeah, still he is looking young. Yeah, yes, ma'am. And
Yes, yes. All right. And about Deepika Padukone?
I think her eyes nice, so that's why.
All right. You like her eyes. That's nice. Okay, so tell me, if you were given an option of becoming a celebrity, would you accept that?
uh yeah, if you would give me opportunity, so then I will accept. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so now I would like to ask you, okay, what do you think as a celebrity? Like, you have seen so many celebrities and you must have heard multiple news about them. And when you hear the news about them, obviously every profession has the good things about one profession, right? But there are negative points as well. So there are pros as well as there are cons of being into one profession. So according to you, what is the con and what are the cons and what are the pros of becoming a celebrity?
uh I think I won't able to describe this thing. Sorry, I won't
That's
able to
that's
describe.
that's Okay, that's not a big deal. Okay, so all right, no issues with that. Okay, then we have a few words which were given into the email. So the word I remember as of now was script, right? I hope you are aware
Script.
what exactly a script is, right? Yeah,
Yes,
script is
ma'am.
basically the storyline or the description of the story given to the persons to read about one particular music, a music story, or anything it would be, right? That is known as the script. And there are so many other words. Just give me 1 second. I can take those out.
So, ma'am,
Here
uh,
it is. Yeah. Okay, so tell me one thing. We can talk about this as well, but still tell me one thing. What do you do? Like, up to where have you studied, and what are you earning, or you're still a student? If you're earning, then what is the source of your income? So all these things. Describe more about yourself.
so yes, I'm these days I'm earning money, and I'm doing job. Okay, ma'am, and yes, and
What kind of
I'm
job it
as well
is?
as I'm yes, I'm as well as I'm learning English language. Yeah, I
Okay, so
don't want
what
to
kind
talk
of
about
job are you
too much. Actually, I don't want to talk about more about about my job and
in? Okay.
something. Yeah,
Okay, okay, no issues,
yeah.
no issues with that. Okay, no issues with that. So, okay, let's just talk about what are the questions given in your
Uh,
slide. So the question,
even
yes,
even I have some question. Can I would I ask you, ma'am?
yes, please ask me.
Okay. So just you have told me means about which celebrity about I would like. So can you tell me which celebrity do you like?
Okay, my favorite celebrity is Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone. Both of them are the I can say they are the classics of Bollywood as of now. So yes, initially I was really fan of Salman Khan up to his 2010s, but later on
Okay.
this Ranveer Singh became my favorite because of his absolute fine acting skills and how he dwells into the character. That's what is very exciting about him as a person. And recently he has been inspiring so many people, not just nationally but also internationally, about the fashion. I know people make fun about him for the fashion skills he has, but still, like, nobody can carry such stuff with that confidence, and he has that confidence. So
Okay.
which is again a very nice thing about him. And Deepika Padukone, she has been a classic from the very first movie she has entered into the Bollywood. She
Absolutely.
has been just amazing, and now she's linking with the worldwide famous brands like Levi's, like Adidas, Three Stripes, and all. So according to me, these two are the best in the Bollywood as of now.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
Yeah,
Nice choice, ma'am. Okay.
yeah. Thank
So
you so
Miss
much.
except Ranveer Kapoor, you like Miss Deepika Padukone. If you
Yeah,
suppose
Ranveer
if you
Singh, Ranveer Singh, and
Ranveer Singh,
Deepika
sorry.
Padukone. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You like Deepika Padukone. So, is there any particular movie which made you like her more?
Yeah. Her first movie, ma'am. Her first movie. He she cast with Shahrukh Khan. Uh, I think that movie name I am forgetting.
Om
I am
Shanti Om, I
forgetting that
suppose.
Om Santi Om. Yes, ma'am. Om Santi Om. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, that was the name of the movie. Yeah. Yes, yes.
Absolutely.
Okay, so yes, please tell me, which two celebrities would you like to interview? I guess the answer would be Salman Khan and Deepika Padukone.
Absolutely. There's no any doubt, man.
Okay, so what questions will you ask them in that interview?
Yeah, if I would if I will get opportunity to take interview Salman Khan, so definitely I will ask with him about his health. Okay, and one more thing about Katrina Kaif. I will ask about something about Katrina Kaif. Means really, is she your girlfriend or not? Means now these days. Yeah.
Okay, so she's getting married to this guy from Uri.